Okay, today we will proceed to our next lesson about the physical characteristics of the environment. Okay, let's discuss how the physical characteristic of environment affect the survival of organisms. So some of the physical characteristics of an environment are: number one, here, the amount of lights in the surroundings. Then number two, the temperature of the surroundings. And number three, the amount of water available and the type of soil. So we'll go here at the amount of light. Okay, plants need light energy. Okay, you can see this one, to make food. Therefore, the amount of light in an environment will affect the survival of the plant. So the plants need the sunlight. Okay, also people need sunlight, and everybody needs sunlight. And you can see this one, the grass. Okay, the grass grows well in open ground that receives direct sunlight. So you can see this ground, it's a grass, and they need sunlight too. Okay, and now we will go to this. Grass does not grow well under the trees. Okay, if there are trees over here and the grass here, the grass will not grow. Okay, because the shade provided by the tree cuts down the amount of sunlight received by the grass. Okay, if there's no sunlight, what's happened to the plants? Okay, it will not grow. Okay, because plants need the sunlight. They need sunlight so that they will grow. Okay, let's go to the next one. Okay, let's go here. The animals such as moths and bats survive better in the dark than in bright conditions. They can hide from their enemies when it's dark. However, some animals such as eagles need lights to see. They hunt other animals for food during the day. Okay, we will go here. The eagles is more active in bright condition. Okay, they will find their food in the day. How about the bats? The bats is more active in darkness. So that's why they will fly in evening. They go out in the evening. Unlike the eagle that they will go out if it's already have a sunlight or day. Okay, now go here. The temperature. Most local plants and animals cannot survive temperatures that we would find too hot ourselves. Plants and animals tend to lose water as the temperature of the surroundings goes up. Now let's go here. What's this? Okay. Most plants dry up and begin to drop in the heat. If it's very hot, the plants become like this. It will dry and it will die. Okay? And take a look the garden here. Try this one. Take a walk in your school garden and observe the kind of organisms living in the shade of trees. And look out for holes in some trees' trunks. Do you see any organisms coming out of them? Okay? Now we can see also here, do you remember how earthworms respond to the lights and heat? Okay, earthworms avoid lights and heat. They come above the ground in the early morning or evening when it's not too hot or bright. Okay, most local plants would freeze and die if the temperature of their surroundings dropped 0 degrees C, 0 degrees or below. Some conifer trees, however, can survive freezing temperatures just like this. You can see the pine trees. It will survive in the very cold place in the snow. Okay, now we will have here the other one. We have amount of water. Okay, organisms need water to function properly rather. If they do not get enough water, they will die. Okay, was the cacti in dry ground. With less water, plants dry up and makes less food. However, some plants such as cacti has grow in a hot and dry condition. But this one, the water plant, the water lily. Okay, water plants needs more water than land plants. Lotuses and water lilies can grow in soil that is covered by water. Okay, you can see that one. So here in the desert and here in the water, if this if you put it in the water, it will die. But this one, if there's no water, they will die too. So they have their own, okay, characteristics and amount of water. Okay, some animals needs more water than other animals. Just like this, fish must live in water because they breathe through the gills. And frog needs to live near water because they lay eggs in water. And how about this one? The camels can live without drinking for a few days. Okay, so the camel is for the desert. And now, next time, we will tackle or go to the next lesson. But today, we stop here in this lesson about the characteristics of the environment. So let's continue our lesson next time, and thank you so much for listening, and good luck to you guys. Take care. Bye.